Meet Max. He looks like an ordinary dog, but he's not. He's a superhero. And this is his best friend, Leo. Max jumps high and catches the ball mid-air. Whoa, look at that jump. Max isn't just any pup. He's got superpowers, but shh, it's a secret. Uh-oh, that little girl lost her balloon. It's stuck way up in the tree. Max's ears perk up. He looks at Leo, then at the balloon. Wait, Max has an idea. What's he going to do? Max takes a deep breath, crouches, then leaps super high into the air. He grabs the balloon with his teeth and lands gracefully. Wow, did you see that? Max just jumped higher than a house. He's a real superhero. The little girl claps and hugs Max. Hooray for Max, he saved the day. Oh no, a tiny kitten is stuck on the roof. It's too high for Leo to reach, but not for Max. Max's eyes glow. He suddenly zooms forward at lightning speed, running straight up the wall like a superhero. Whoosh, Max is running on the wall. That's incredible. Max gently picks up the kitten in his mouth and jumps back down, placing it safely in a basket. Safe and sound, Super Max saves another day. Oh no, that man's hat is flying away, and a car is coming. What will Max do? Max's eyes glow again. He dashes forward faster than the wind and catches the hat just before it lands in front of the car. He proudly returns it to the delivery man. Phew, that was close. Max is always there when someone needs help. The delivery man pats Max's head and gives him a treat. Good job, Super Max. Even superheroes need a snack. After a big day of saving the day, even superheroes need a rest. Leo hugs Max and whispers, "You're the best dog ever." Max wags his tail and closes his eyes. Super Max might look like an ordinary pup, but to Leo, he'll always be a hero.